Of course, we all know that there are two kinds of people in life. People who make things happen and people who don't know what happened. And the people who make things happen are the same people who are intentional and deliberate about their actions in life. They are the same people who understand that that which you get from life is a product of that which you give in life. Hence, they are intentional about the energy they emit. They are intentional about their actions, about the people they hang out with. Because they know the sort of energy they want to receive back. They know that which they want to get back in life because they understand the 20-80 rule. A rule that states that 20% of that which you do intentionally in life decide 80% of that which you get back from life in return. And the people who don't know what happened, they are the people who usually go through life on cruise control, unwilling to take some risk, unwilling to leave their comfort zone. They usually approach life casually, and we know that when you approach life casually, your dreams and goals are bound to become the casualty. Hence, when you look at their life, when you examine closely their story, it is filled with all sorts of accidental incidents, accidental events, incidents that are actually not their fault, and in most cases, not even within their control. They are always victims of circumstances, victims of the backlash of life. And this is what most people will call unlucky. Or check this out. You see, in life, if you're not intentionally trying to get wealthy, you could accidentally find yourself in a place where you're broke. If you're not intentionally trying to work on having a great health, you could accidentally find yourself in a place of poor health and out of shape. Because these are the principles of life. The same principle works even for a relationship. Because if you're not intentionally trying to have a great relationship, you could accidentally find yourself in a place where you're in a toxic one. Because these are the simple principles of life, and these principles hold true. No wonder they say in life we do not get that which we desire or that which we want, but we get that which we deserve, because that which you give determines that which you get in return. So if you're not intentionally trying to work towards your goal, towards your dream in life, you could accidentally find yourself in a place that you do not want to be. I'd like to encourage you to like and share this video, because a lot of people in your circle of friends need to hear this message to help them understand how their life has become that of a victim because they lack the intentionality they need, the intentionality required to go about life. If you're not intentional about your action, if you're not intentional about that which you want in life, you can be rest assured that your dreams and goals in life will become the casualty. You can be rest assured that your dreams and goals will be the alternative forgone. And for more insight, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below.